Welcome back, foodies. Today, we're diving into the savory world of chicken and mushrooms. Join me as we uncover the secrets behind this delightful combination. But that's not all. We also have some fascinating unknown facts to share with you. Let's explore the magic of chicken and mushrooms. Hello, food enthusiasts. Today, we find ourselves in a cozy kitchen to unravel the mysteries surrounding the delicious pairing of chicken and mushrooms. But before we dive into the recipe, let's discover some lesser-known facts about this culinary duo. Did you know that the combination of chicken and mushrooms has been enjoyed for centuries across various cuisines around the world? From Asian stir-fries to European stews, this pairing has stood the test of time and continues to captivate our taste buds. How fascinating! Now, let's move on to fact number 2. Mushrooms have a unique umami flavor that enhances the taste of chicken dishes. This earthy and savory quality adds depth and richness to the overall flavor profile, making it a perfect match for tender chicken. The marriage of flavors between chicken and mushrooms is truly remarkable. Now, for our final fact. Chicken and mushrooms offer a perfect balance of textures. While chicken provides a tender and juicy bite, mushrooms add a satisfying chewiness and depth to the dish. Together, they create a harmonious combination that tantalizes our taste buds. It's wonderful to think about the sensory experience that chicken and mushrooms bring to our palates. Now, let's delve into the flavors and ingredients that make this duo so special. Here are the key ingredients you'll need to create your own delicious chicken and mushroom masterpiece. For this dish, you'll need succulent chicken pieces, preferably bone-in for maximum flavor. Alongside the chicken, you'll need a variety of mushrooms such as cremini, shiitake, or button mushrooms, depending on your preference and availability. The combination of different mushrooms adds complexity to the dish. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's unlock the secrets of making chicken with mushrooms. Start by heating a skillet or pan over medium-high heat. Add some olive oil or butter to the pan and allow it to melt or heat up. Next, add the chicken pieces to the pan and cook them until they are golden brown and cooked through. Remove the chicken from the pan and set it aside. In the same pan, add the mushrooms and sauté them until they are tender and lightly browned. The mushrooms will release their flavorful juices, creating a delicious base for the dish. And there you have it. A glimpse into the world of chicken with mushrooms, complete with some intriguing unknown facts. Whether you're a fan of Asian-inspired stir-fries, creamy mushroom sauces, or comforting stews, this combination offers endless possibilities to tantalize your taste buds. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our culinary explorations. Until next time, happy cooking!